Hello guys, welcome back to Automash channel. The 2025 Yamaha R125 is here to redefine what an entry-level supersport motorcycle can be. Designed for beginners and enthusiasts alike, this compact machine carries the DNA of Yamaha's legendary R series, delivering striking design, advanced technology, and dynamic performance. Priced at an affordable $5,499, it offers incredible value for riders looking to enter the supersport segment without breaking the bank. The R125's design is inspired by its bigger siblings, like the R7 and R1. Its sharp, aerodynamic bodywork, aggressive LED headlights, and bold graphics screams track-ready at first glance. The redesigned front fascia includes a central air intake, giving it a race-inspired aesthetic. Available in vibrant color options like racing blue, midnight black, and redline red, the 2025 R125 looks every bit the part of a premium supersport bike. Powering the R125 is a liquid-cooled 124 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, capable of producing 15 horsepower and smooth, linear torque. Yamaha has engineered the engine for quick acceleration and effortless cruising, making it ideal for city commuting and weekend rides alike. Paired with a 6-speed transmission, the R125 provides crisp gear shifts and enough punch to keep riders engaged, whether they're new to riding or seasoned pros looking for a lightweight thrill. The 2025 Yamaha R125 isn't just about speed, it's packed with technology to enhance the overall riding experience. The bike now features a full-color TFT display, offering essential information at a glance, including speed, gear position, and a smartphone connectivity option via the Yamaha MyRide app. Riders can track their journeys, monitor bike stats, and stay connected while enjoying the open road. Handling and comfort are where the R125 truly shines. Its lightweight aluminum frame, coupled with a refined suspension system, ensures precise cornering and a smooth ride. The upside-down front forks and rear monoshock offer excellent stability, while the ergonomically designed seat and clip-on handlebars strike a balance between sportiness and comfort. Whether you're zipping through traffic or taking on winding roads, the R125 feels nimble and confident. Safety has not been overlooked. The R125 is equipped with ABS as standard, providing consistent braking power in various conditions. Its lightweight 292mm front disc and 220mm rear disc brakes ensure quick stopping without compromising control. These features make the bike not only exciting to ride but also reassuringly safe for newer riders. At $5,499, the 2025 Yamaha R125 is a brilliant choice for anyone entering the world of supersport motorcycles. It combines sleek looks, thrilling performance, and modern tech at an accessible price point. Whether you're a first-time rider or a seasoned enthusiast seeking an affordable yet stylish ride, the R125 is ready to exceed expectations. Yamaha has truly created an entry-level supersport that feels anything but basic.